Hey guys, Jeff Costello with Eastbrook Homes. I hope you're doing great. I'm out here at our Harvest Meadows development. I'm going to take you through one of our showcase homes, 12025 Harvest Acre Drive, currently listed at $649,900. You can always give me a call, Jeff, 616-293-9527. Better yet, check the website, eastbrookhomes.com, and we will be able to get you to the Harvest Meadows page and take you through. So here we go. So this is the showcase home that we're talking about here. This is our balsam floor plan, 3-stall garage. Yes, landscaping is included. We just haven't gotten there yet. As you know, it's been a little wet here in Michigan, and so we will get that done for us. Landscaping including topsoil, hydroseed, underground sprinkling, all that stuff. 3rd-stall garage is in there. But the fun is, as you know, on the inside here. So let's take a peek and see what we've got. Right inside as we go. So we're jumping in. So this again is our balsam floor plan. This is our ranch plan that we have. 2 bedrooms on the main, and then we've got a finished lower level down. So bedroom 2 right up front here as you walk in does have this beautiful barn door that kind of separates that out. Awesome for a home office. As you know, a lot of us work from home nowadays. And you do have a couple different closets that you walk in, and then of course your secondary bathroom here as well. So we've got that. Coming over this section, again, as we walk in, got a little area, you can add a bench or something along those lines, taking off your boots and coats, things like that. But this is our 3rd-stall garage. Plenty of room for storage. Gotta have storage, gotta love it. So got that set up there for you. Beautiful white trim in here, nice LVP flooring, great carpet in there. And then this is your kitchen area. This is kind of where everybody hangs out, as you know. Plenty of room for 4 bar stools here. Got all my appliances laid in, my dishwasher's in there, my stove, my refrigerator. Microwave is in the pantry, and then you're set with that with regards to that as well. Dining area. I am putting a patio back here, but again, just haven't gotten to that point yet. We will get back that section there. And then, of course, you do have a wonderful fireplace. You're going to need it on a day like today, where it's just a bit of chill in the air, but it's laid out, stone all the way to the ceiling. And of course, you have to love our 4-season Michigan rooms, whatever terminology you use here. Great setup there with 9 windows and that beautiful ceiling fan up top there as well. Centrally located is your laundry room. I know none of us like to do laundry, but you still have to do it. So it's set up for that there. And then, of course, the owner's suite is in this section here. So beautiful layout, plenty of room for a king-size bed. Got it set up for a TV across the way. Fabulous bathroom, double bowl sinks, plenty of cabinetry in here. Nice tile shower with a Euro door and an awesome walk-in closet. So real cool setup there with regards to that. Square footage on the main floor of this is just over 1,900. And then I'm going to show you that we've got this basement finished as well with a rec room, bedroom, and of course a bathroom down there too. So when your kids come to visit from college and they need you to do their laundry, you can go ahead and do that and take care of that with regards to that up in here as well. So outstanding rec room area that you've got here in this section there. And then of course I've got my bathroom layout with regards to that. And then of course the 3rd full bedroom. Total of 2,700 square feet. 12025 Harvest Acre Drive, $649,900. I look forward to seeing you out here. Have yourself a great day.